video we try to explain all the details about this hotel, like location, landmark reviews, amenities of the hotel, and the category and facilities also. And you can see on the screen hotel location, and here you can nearby attractions and landmark also. You can find lot of reviews on the reviews and landmark are rated by guests. Its review rating is 9.0, which is the superb. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this hotel. About the amenities of this hotel, so you can see on the screen. It's photo ID and check-in. The hotel accepts major credit cards and reserves the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival.